Let us see few problems on fluid kinematics. The first one, which has been asked in 2015 mechanical. The question is, the velocity field of an incompressible flow is given by, so V is equal to A1x plus A2y plus A3z I cap plus B1x plus B2y plus B3z j cap plus C1x plus C2y plus C3z k cap, where A1 is equal to 2 and C3 is equal to minus 4. What is the value of B2? So the values of A1 and C3 have been given. We know that velocity, the vector velocity can be written as U I cap plus V j cap plus W k cap. U, V and W are the components of velocity in x, y and z directions respectively. So here U is equal to A1x plus A2y plus A3z, and V is equal to B1x plus B2y plus B3z, and W is equal to C1x plus C2y plus C3z. And we need to find the value of B2 from this. It is given that the flow is incompressible. So what is meant by incompressible? If this type of questions are given, incompressible or steady, these terms are given in the question, directly apply continuity equation. Continuity equation, what is continuity equation? Continuity equation is given by dou rho by dou t plus del rho v is equal to 0. This is what continuity equation is. In the question it is given that the flow is incompressible. If the flow is incompressible, dou rho by dou t, change of density with respect to time, is equal to 0, and then rho del v is equal to 0. Since rho is constant, it comes outside, and then del v is equal to 0. So what is del v equal to 0? Del v is dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y plus dou w by dou z is equal to 0. So that is what del operator means. In this dou u by dou x, so differentiate this u with respect to x, we will get a1, and y and z are constant, so that will be 0, plus dou v by dou y, so here we will get b2, plus dou w by dou z, so this and this are constants, so we will get c3 is equal to 0. The values of a1 is equal to 2 and c3 is equal to minus 4 are given. A1 is equal to 2 plus b2, we need to find that, and c3 is equal to minus 4, which is equal to 0. b2 is equal to 2. So 2 is the answer. We will see another question. So this question is very good because it covers all the topics that we have studied in fluid kinematics. Let us see now. For a two-dimensional flow velocity field, V is equal to x by x square plus y square I cap plus y by x square plus y square j cap, where I and j are basis vectors in x and xy Cartesian coordinate system. Identify the correct statements below. So 4 statements are given here. The flow is incompressible, the flow is unsteady, y component acceleration, this is given, x component acceleration is given. So we need to find which of these statements are correct. Either 2 or 3, 1 or 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 2, or 3 and 4. Let us find it now. Firstly, let me write velocity. The velocity which was given is equal to x by x square plus y square, x by x square plus y square I cap plus y by x square plus y square j cap. So this was the velocity that is given, and this we need to check whether the flow is compressible or not. So in order to check flow is compressible or not, apply the continuity equation. So for incompressible flow, del V is equal to 0. So dou U by dou X plus dou V by dou Y is equal to 0. Since there are only two components, U and V, I am taking only this two. So dou U by dou X. Dou U by dou X is equal to, so what is dou U by dou X? This is U and this is V. So here dou U by dou X is U by V. We can write a differentiation of U by V is VU dash minus UV dash divided by V square. So that is what differentiation of U by V is. And here V is x square plus y square into U dash. U dash is x. So differentiation of x is 1 minus U V dash. Differentiation of x square plus y square is 2x. So here it is partial differentiation divided by x square plus y square whole square. So we can get x square plus y square minus 2x square divided by x square plus y square whole square, and then x square minus 2x square is minus x square, so y square minus x square divided by x square plus y square whole square. So again dou V by dou Y. Dou V by dou Y is equal to, same apply this, x square plus y square V U dash. U dash is 1 minus y into 2y divided by x square plus y square whole square. So x square plus y square minus 2y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. X square minus y square minus 2y square is minus y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. And we need to add this both, dou U by dou X plus dou U by dou Y. Dou U by dou X plus dou V by dou Y, which is equal to y square minus x square, that is numerator of dou U by dou X, plus x square minus y square divided by, as the denominator is common, I have added directly. So that will be equal to y square minus x square cancels, and that will be equal to 0. So continuity equation has been satisfied, so the flow is incompressible. Continuity equation for incompressible, this is for incompressible, continuity equation for incompressible flow, that has been satisfied. So this one is true. So the option may be C or option may be B. So this is because one exists in C and B. And next we need to check whether the flow is unsteady. If the flow is unsteady means properties change with respect to time. So dou rho by dou t should not be equal to 0. But here, as it is incompressible, that this dou rho by dou t is equal to 0. So this is not possible. So here option C has been eliminated and option B is correct answer. Let us check option 3 and 4. So option 3 should be correct. So what is option 3? It is given that y component of acceleration is minus y divided by x square plus y square whole square. X square plus y square whole square. We need to prove that y component acceleration is minus y by x square plus y square whole square. So what is acceleration in y direction? Y component acceleration is equal to dou v by dou t plus u into dou v by dou x plus v into dou v by dou y. So this is what y component acceleration is, dou v by dou t. So in this u and v are functions of x comma y. That's it. U and v are not functions of x comma y comma t. So there is no t present, so that will be 0. So acceleration is equal to u into dou v by dou x plus v into dou v by dou y. Here u is equal to, what is u? X by x square plus y square. X by x square plus y square is u. And dou v by dou x. What is dou v by dou x? Dou v by dou x is equal to, here v is equal to y by x square plus y square. So v u dash is dou by dou x of y, that will be 0, minus u v dash, that will be 2x, divided by x square plus y square whole square, that is equal to minus 2xy divided by x square plus y square whole square. So minus 2xy by x square plus y square whole square. And there is dou v by dou y. So we know that dou v by dou y is equal to x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. We have solved in this one. So x square minus y square by x square plus y square whole square, and there is multiplication with v. V is equal to y by x square plus y square. If I simplify this, which is equal to minus 2x square y by x square plus y square whole cube, and plus x square y minus y cube divided by x square plus y square whole cube. So this will be minus 2x square y plus x square y minus x square y minus y cube divided by x square plus y square whole cube. That will be equal to, if we take minus y common, minus y taking outside, x square plus y square divided by x square plus y square whole cube. So 1x square plus y square, here 1x square plus y square. So minus y divided by x square plus y square whole square. So that is equal to acceleration in y direction. So this has been proved. So the option B is the correct answer. So in this question we have seen about continuity equation, and we have seen about acceleration in y direction. Similarly, in if acceleration is calculated in x direction, you will be getting minus x by x square plus y square whole square. So this is what about these two questions. In the next video, let us see more questions on fluid kinematics.